second session of today's class altogether. So in the second session, like I mentioned, we are going to continue our listening, alright, practice, alright. We are going to continue our listening practice altogether. So you can open your book to page 12 altogether, everyone. Okay, so today we are going to start our new lesson, Unit 2, cleaning up. Alright, so today we are going to discover more practice altogether. But first of all, I would like all of you to, have a look at this picture altogether, everyone. So on page 12, you can look at this picture altogether. Alright, maybe it's familiar with you as well, right? Maybe you used to do this kind of activity before at home. So there are some vocabularies as well that you may learn today. So there are 6 vocabularies. So we have the word chore, okay, the word windows, the word floor, the word dishes, and the word garbage, and the word dirty. Okay, so we have these 6 words, all right, that you can learn. So first we start with the word chores. Okay, so what does it mean, everyone, by the word chores? So chores means the task or the daily household that you do, like washing, ironing, or cleaning. Alright, so those kind of activity we call chores because it have to be done regularly at home. Okay, everyone, so we have the word chores. And we have the word window, everyone. So what does it mean, window? I think you are familiar with it already. So again, window refer to an opening in the wall or with the glass, right, in a frame in order to admit the light and air and somehow can allow people to see out, right, to see the scenery outside the house. Okay, so the word window. And the word floor. Okay, everyone, have you ever heard the term floor before? So floor, what does it mean? Yeah, it is the lower surface, right, of a room that you can walk. Okay, that you may walk on it, right? So floor. This is everyone. This is right. So what does it mean? This is everyone. So it is a container that you use for cooking or serving food, right? I think you know here is the dishes, right, everyone? And we have the word garbage. Alright, so what does it mean, everyone, by the word garbage? It's like rubbish or waste that you have at home or at other places. And we have the word dirty, everyone. So what does it mean by the word dirty? It means it's not clean, it's not comfortable enough, right? So dirty. Yeah, so we have these 6 words. So I would love you to find the word and number them in the picture. You can look at this picture. So you mix or you put, you number them. For example, number 1 is here. So you just number them on the picture. Okay, everyone? So give you around 3 minutes to work on this part altogether. Alright, so welcome back, everyone. Thank you. I hope you finished this part. It's very easy. Just look at the picture and then you number, okay, the words to each picture. Okay, so now we move to section B altogether, which is mix the expression and then listen and check your answer. So you can refer to track 11 altogether. So I would like of you to listen to track 11 and then try to mix the expression here to your answer. Okay, so they start with, are you busy tomorrow morning? Number 2, what do you have to do? And 3, do your parents do chores too? And there are 3 answers over here, so you need to mix the expression. And then okay, I want you to listen and check your answer. Alright, so now first of all I would like you to work on this part first and then we will check the answer. Okay,
Unit 2, cleaning up. B, match the expressions. Listen and check your answers. 1.
Are you busy tomorrow morning?
Yes, I have to do my chores tomorrow morning. 2.
What do you have to do?
I have to wash the windows and clean my bedroom. 3.
Do your parents do chores too?
Yes, Mom washes the dirty dishes and Dad takes out the garbage.
Alright, so welcome back, everyone. So now I would love you to listen and check your answer. Track 11. Okay, so Now, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay, so welcome back everyone. Thank you so much. Number 1. Are you busy tomorrow morning? So which one everyone? Okay, so we refer to letter B. Yes, I have to do my chores tomorrow morning. So we mix number 1 to letter B. How about number 2? What do you have to do? Okay, so which one everyone? Of course, so I have to wash the window, okay, and clean my bedroom. So number 2 we refer to letter C. And how about number 3 everyone? Yeah, the last answer. So do your parents do chores too? Yes, mom washes the dirty dishes and dad take out the garbage, right? So we refer to letter A. Okay, thank you everyone. So now we finished matching the expressions, in section B, and it's also conclusion of our session today. And thank you so much everyone. So today we start our new unit, which is cleaning up. All right, and we move to section A and section B. And section A, you just find the word and then you number them in the picture that you can see on your textbook on page 12. And then we move to section B, which is make the expression, okay, and then listen and take the answer. And thank you everyone for your paying attention. Once again tomorrow, okay, and tomorrow we are going to study listening practice in the first session, and in the second session we are going to continue our hangout lesson. So once again tomorrow. Bye bye.